Hello people, I'm at this bus station, the Mahatma Gandhi bus station in this place called Gauliguda, and as always I have this cute friend of mine. You know, one of her photos was used as a thumbnail because basically it's like YouTube always chooses the picture that looks the most attractive, right? So my Renu had her photo as a thumbnail, so maybe she'll again appear as a thumbnail. So we are headed to Sholapur. We were here like it is 8 in the morning right now, but see, it's a nice, pretty place. We were here. We were to go in the 6 o'clock bus, but because of a goof up, it's like we are goof up that I don't know. Yeah, I really don't want to say anything on camera because it will be recorded forever. But the thing that I've learned now after today's incident was if something is bothering you, it will, if you let it pass, it will only increase, you know. So, something that's bothering you, get down to the root of it, you know, like with regard to my certain ticket that was to take us to Sholapur. So, it was not clear on the ticket which bus number, which thing, and though I called the helpline 4 times and I visited, my dad visited the office, it was not. You know, we were sent issued the very same ticket again. So now I've been told I'll be refunded the amount, but till it comes, I'm not seeing, and I have to again book a fresh ticket to go to Cholapur. So this is anyway my first video of the day, and I think I should leave my hair loose. But you know, it's too hot in Hyderabad, yeah, to leave your hair loose and do any shooting. So, but all the same, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.